6:30 in the morning. Emma's alarm screams beep, 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 and before her feet even touch the floor, she has already made data. How? Because I slept 8 hours is a fact, a number, a clue, and Emma is about to discover she never stops making them. By breakfast, the weather app says 72 degrees. On the bus, she counts 15 kids. In class, 38 present, 2 absent. Her brother grins and drops the bombshell. Every single thing you noticed today was data. You, Emma, are a data-making machine. And so are you, watching this. Hey, I'm Byte. Here's why this matters for you. Every AI in the world, the one recommending your videos, the one drawing your pictures, runs on data. If you want to raise your own AI, first you have to see the invisible stuff it eats. So let's learn to see it. Let's nail it down. Data is just information about anything and everything. It's the answer to a question. What time is it? 3:30. How tall are you? 4'8". Do you like pizza? Hard yes. Every one of those answers is a piece of data. Facts, observations, measurements, that's it. Here's the trap most people fall into. They think data means numbers on a screen. Nope. Your favorite color being blue? Data. Your city being Seattle? Data. Whether it rained today? Data. If it's a real fact about something, a computer can store it. And if a computer can store it, it can learn from it. But one rule matters. Data has to be true. Random daydreams? Not data. A made-up story? Not data. Data is facts, information, and observations about the real world. That's the line, and later you'll see AI gets confused fast when we feed it stuff that isn't real. Now the magic trick. Every single piece of data in the entire universe fits into just 3 buckets. 3. Once you can spot which bucket something belongs in, you basically think like a computer. Let me show you all 3. Bucket 1, number data. The fancy word is quantitative, but just think stuff you can count or measure. Your age is 11. Your height, 145 centimeters. Your test score, 87. If you can put a number on it, it lives here. Bucket 2, word data. The fancy word is qualitative. Think stuff you describe with words. Your name is Emma. Your city is Tokyo. Your favorite color is blue. You can't measure Emma with a ruler. You describe it. That's word data. Bucket 3, yes-no data. Computer scientists call it Boolean, but it's the simplest one, just true or false. Are you a student? Yes. Did it rain? No. Did you eat breakfast? Yes. One question, one flip of a switch. Computers absolutely love this kind. Quick fire, height 145. Number, name Emma. Word, are you hungry? Yes. Yes, no. Favorite color blue. Word, test score 92. Number, see how fast that gets. Every fact you meet, ask yourself, count it, describe it, or flip it. That's the whole game. Inside LittleAIMaster, you don't just watch this, you drag real data into the right bucket over and over until it's automatic. Height goes to number. Tokyo goes to word. Did it rain? No goes to yes, no. Your brain stops guessing and starts knowing. Ready to have your mind bent? Take one selfie on a 12-megapixel phone. To you, it's a picture of your face. To an AI, it's a giant grid holding about 12 million tiny color measurements. 12 million numbers in one photo. Every picture you take is a mountain of number data. That's the secret of how AI sees. It never sees your face the way you do. It sees a grid of numbers, how red this dot is, how blue that dot is, and hunts for patterns in them. A cat's ears, a smile, your handwriting. To a computer, all of it is just number data arranged in a grid. Even tiny things become data. Send one emoji, a smiley, a soccer ball, a pizza slice, and the computer secretly stores each one as its very own number code. That's how even a one emoji message turns into data a machine can read. Words, pictures, feelings, all quietly turned into numbers. Okay, data is everywhere, but how does it actually get collected? Turns out there are exactly 4 ways, and you use all 4 without noticing. Let me count them off, because AI uses these same 4 to fill up its brain. Way 1, observation. That's just using your senses. The sky is blue, you saw it. I smell pizza, you smelled it. No tools needed, just your eyes, ears, and nose turning the world into facts. It's the oldest data collector on Earth, and you were born with it. Way 2, measurement. Now we grab tools. A thermometer says it's 72 degrees. A tape measure says you're 145 centimeters. Tools give us exact numbers our senses can only guess at. That's how observation becomes precise, trustworthy number data. Way 3, asking. Surveys and questions. What's your favorite food? Rate this movie 1 to 5. Every time an app asks you to tap a star or pick an option, it's collecting data straight from your brain. You are the sensor, and the question is the tool. Way 4, automatic. Machines collecting nonstop while nobody watches. Your phone counts your steps all day. Traffic cameras track cars. And in the NBA, cameras record every player 25 times every single second, millions of data points in one game. That's data collection at superhuman speed. In our Python lab, you become the automatic collector. You write tiny real programs that gather numbers, store them, and count them, the exact skill data scientists use. No fake buttons. Real code, running real data, powered by you. Here's the most important idea in the whole chapter. Data by itself is kind of useless. Its power comes from climbing a ladder, 4 steps that turn a pile of numbers into a smart choice. Watch how these numbers grow up. Step 1, raw data. 72, 68, 75, 71, 69, just lonely numbers meaning nothing on their own. Step 2, we organize them and click, they become information. These are the temperatures this week. Same numbers, but now they have a story. Step 3, we spot the pattern and it becomes knowledge. Hey, it's getting warmer. Step 4, the payoff, we make a decision. Bring lighter clothes. Data to information to knowledge to decision. That ladder is exactly how you and every AI turn noise into a smart move. This is why YouTube feels like it reads your mind. It collects data signals, what you watch, what you skip, what you replay, how long you stay. Its AI climbs the ladder from those raw actions all the way up to a decision, which video to autoplay next. Even a skip is a clue. That trick has a name, a recommendation system. It watches thousands of tiny data points about you, finds the pattern, and predicts what you'll like. Same idea powers your music, your games, your shopping feed. Once you see the data underneath, the magic turns into something you can actually understand and build. Now flip it around. In LittleAIMaster, you don't just get recommended to, you raise your own AI and choose the data it learns from. Good data in, smart AI out. Messy data in, confused AI out. Suddenly, every lesson about data becomes a lesson about power. When you create inside the app, a drawing, a story, a mini model, the AI learns from what you make. You feel hands-on, the thing this whole chapter is about. Data isn't something that happens to you. It's something you generate and can aim on purpose. Time to test your detective eyes. Temperature is 72 degrees data. Yes, number data. Your friend's name is Maya data. Yes, word data. Random thoughts with no facts. No, that's not data. A made-up story, not data either. Real facts in, daydreams out. You're getting sharp. One that surprises everyone. When you play a video game, does the game collect data about you? Absolutely yes. Your level, your coins, your time played, every move you make, all quietly logged. That's how games learn to keep you hooked. Now you can see the strings, so you hold them. And here's a friendly example, your own progress. Every stage you finish, every quiz you ace becomes data the app organizes into a picture of how much you've grown. Raw taps, climbing that same ladder into knowledge about you. Data working for you, not on you. Let's lock in the vocabulary real data scientists use. Data, facts about anything. Information, data organized to be useful. Quantitative, data you measure with numbers. Qualitative, data you describe with words. Know these 4 words and you can talk to any engineer on the planet. Let's recap what you own now. Data is information about anything. It comes in 3 types, number, word, yes, no. It's collected 4 ways, observing, measuring, asking, automatically. It climbs a ladder from data to decision, and you make it every single second. That's real data literacy. By understanding data, you just cracked the very first building block of how computers think. Everything harder, machine learning, neural networks, AI that draws and talks, is built on top of this one idea. You didn't just watch it, you get it. So here's your cliffhanger. If one selfie hides 12 million clues and the world makes oceans of data every second, how do you ever find anything in that mountain? Next chapter, we learn the superpower of sorting and organizing. See you there, detective. You've seen it now, AI is really just data climbing a ladder. So don't just use AI, raise one. Jump into LittleAIMaster, feed your own AI the data you choose, and watch it grow. Tap to start. Your first data point is waiting.